Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Wallah. If you are following along with our complete AI and data science series, you are in for an exciting hands on session today. In our previous session, we walked through the full 12 module roadmap, explored why Python is the undisputed king of AI, and clarified the core differences between algorithms and programming languages. Today, we are taking the next big step, understanding syntax, getting our hands dirty by navigating Google Colab step by step right from Google search, and writing real Python code. Before we open up the browser, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you stay on track with the entire course. Let's jump right into it. Before we write a single line of code, we need to talk about one of the most important words in all of computer science, syntax. So, what is syntax? Simply put, syntax refers to the strict grammatical rules for a specific programming language. Think about human languages like English. In English, we have grammar rules: subject, verb, object, punctuation, and capitalization. If a human breaks a grammar rule, other humans can usually still guess what they meant. But computers do not think like humans. Computers are completely literal. If you violate even one tiny syntax rule, like missing a quote, misspelling a function keyword, or dropping a parenthesis, the Python interpreter refuses to run your code and immediately throws a syntax error. It will never try to guess your intention. Now, let's open our workspace. Remember, we don't need to download or install Python or any heavy software on our computer. Everything runs right inside the browser using Google Colab. Step 1: Open Google. Open your web browser and go to google.com. Step 2: Search for Google Colab. In the Google search bar, type Google Colab and hit enter. Step 3: Click the official link. Click on the first link that says colab.research.google.com. Step 4: Create a new notebook. A welcome pop up window will appear on screen. Look down at the bottom right corner of that pop up window and click on the new notebook button. Look at the top left corner. You'll see a tile like untitled0.ipnb. Click on it and rename it to lecture underscore 1 underscore basics.ipnb. Look at the center of your screen. You'll see a rectangular box called a code cell. This is where we type Python code. That's it. You now have a cloud hosted Python coding environment ready to go. Let's write our very first Python program inside our new Google Colab cell. In Python, the built-in function used to display output on the screen is called print. Inside your first code cell, type print open parenthesis quote hello world exclamation point quote close parenthesis. Now press shift plus enter. Look right below the cell. It prints, hello world, congratulations, you just ran your first Python program. Now let's look at what happens when we intentionally break syntax rules. In a new cell, type print open parenthesis quote welcome to Python quote close parenthesis. Now let's see a syntax error. Type print open parenthesis welcome to Python close parenthesis. Notice what happens. Python throws a red error box reading syntax error, invalid syntax. Why? Because without quotation marks, Python thinks welcome is a variable name or keyword instead of plain text, gets confused and halts execution. To fix it, wrap the text back in quotes. Print open parenthesis quote welcome to Python quote close parenthesis. Always remember, text strings must always be enclosed in quotation marks. Let's explore how versatile the print open parenthesis Close parenthesis function is when working with text, multiple arguments, and numbers. If we write multiple print statements across separate lines, print A, print B, print C. When we run this cell, Python outputs A, B, C. By default, every individual print call outputs its content on a brand new line. What if you want to output multiple values on the exact same line? You pass them inside a single print function separated by commas, print A, B, C, Python outputs A, B, C on one single line, automatically separated by spaces. If you type print open parenthesis 100, close parenthesis, Python outputs 100. If you write arithmetic inside quotes like print open parenthesis, quote 3 plus 2, quote close parenthesis, Python treats it as literal text and outputs 3 plus 2. But if you drop the quotes and write print open parenthesis 3 plus 2, close parenthesis, Python evaluates the mathematical expression first and outputs 5. Let's test other math operations in separate cells. Print open parenthesis 5 minus 3 close parenthesis outputs 2. Print open parenthesis 4 times 2 close parenthesis outputs 8. Print open parenthesis 4 divided by 2 close parenthesis outputs 2.0. Notice that print open parenthesis 4 divided by 2 close parenthesis outputs 2.0 as a decimal float. In Python, standard division slash always returns a float even when the numbers divide evenly. By understanding basic syntax and text strings today, you are taking your first steps toward building intelligent AI systems that process language. That wraps up today's hands on coding lesson here on Code Wallah. You now know what syntax is, how to set up and navigate Google Colab from scratch, and how to master the print function in Python. Give it a big thumbs up. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments section. Keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.